NPT album, Alkaline. Vice Cartel, God and Time. NPT is a way better album than God and Time.
Bumbo rascal. Jamaica, stop!
Dancehall, truth be told, if you were to pick an album from a Vibes Cartel album or a Masicka album.
A few moments later.
So Gaza fans, Gaza bloggers, you know, so no now work on the boss though. We now work on the boss because from what you see Vice Cartel say, he can't show it broke people. He want to rich opponent. So I'm go
2,000 years later.
No. Dancehall, you disappoint me. You really go for pretty Dan? Gaza fans, we need some answers. Who the brother ya? We don't know what you truth and facts. Big up.
Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
So I think that about represent fully.
I don't know one media facts pan you know. People, I'm gonna tell you this man. See once you work you have the formula. Remember me tell you that. Respect to all the people who support media facts. But you don't know, J Progress a beat and teach. Him say bird season. So we say alright, we there watch and see what go on. You understand? So me go in a video and listen what J Progress I say. You see it?
This a dancehall big stone me a go fling. Cause what if I have a go ball out? NPT album, Alkaline. Vice Cartel, God and Time. NPT is a way better album than God and Time. NPT can juggle in any dancehall and we laugh wholly more song when mash up the entire place than what God and Time can do. God and Time is a weak version of Vibes Cartel musical skills. But guess what? Just like how Vibes Cartel rich friend them crown him king, it's the same way you have Vibes Cartel and him rich friend them buy back him own album.
Jaja dog, Jaja. But you know what? You see, me not even like compare Alkaline album with Vice Cartel album or even Masicka. You understand? Because when you look on it, it's gonna be different based on collaborations. You understand? And you don't know Vice Cartel, God and Time, it doesn't really have the story. The only song on it kind of really 100% connect to the title life is the song God and Time. That's it. Then you can, watch over me, yeah. But the others I sang them, gone over this in one box. You understand? It's not real. If you realize, you don't get not even a hit song out of the album. You understand? No hit song. It's like Vice Cartel released the album on like about 7 days after 6 days after him saying I release a deluxe and I'm about to release a new album. For sure, yo. The album didn't do anything. It just do some streams. Remember them say him move with Afrobeat, but when you check it, him highest stream song on that album is with African artists. Wizkid. And then him have Faruko, the Spanish artist, him have Mova, him have Spice. The whole lot of collaboration. So it's like half of the album is collaboration, but you just don't get a song out of it. You understand? The God and Time drop way before it. You see, but we are talking about the actual album without a song when just a release out of the album. Him not get nothing. You understand? The album just, you see me? And if you check it, NTP album, right now, Girl Good are going, Graduate, Raise the Bar, all of them little thing there. You understand? I see people on Instagram, we have them car mart and all of them little thing there. Where we are, when I show them car, all of them song they are replay night. Yeah man, the girl them love Masterpiece. You understand? A lot of songs they on it. Graduate, Bad, everything. It did it, but wouldn't compare them. You know, half of one is just collaboration different. And Alkaline alone did this album. to be honest, if none of them dancehall artists do them album by themselves, boy, you would see the difference. I tell you, you would see the difference. You understand? Because them knowing of themselves. Masicka, he might get a lot of collaboration on it. Him cannot do a solo album. You understand? And that's why them give it and say it's quality, because they have a lot of collaborations on it with some good artists on it. Like him have Shampa, Popcorn, him have, I think maybe Junior Gang the Panda one, yeah. So we have to just see, and true, because Alkaline alone do him album, I just one of them thing there. It's just, you know, nobody now will give a fear, you know, looking in with Alkaline album. They must say a bag of thing. You see, but I saw it go. But at the end of the day, Cartel drop him album, no hit song. We are going to see if Masicka get a hit song. Because them say a one hit song Alkaline get out of him album. But we are going to see if them can get hit song out of them. You understand? Yeah, man, and we are talking about hit song where we see a tear down the party. Like when them perform. You understand? Yeah, man.
Numbers don't lie, but member who have the money to spend can spend it. Did you know that Caribbean Music Award get buyout too? No. Alright. But anyway, when I look at the Alkaline album, NPT, and a Vybz Kartel Goddamn Time, what is dancehall? How many songs from Alkaline NPT shake up the place when the album they drop, comparing to how many songs from Vybz Kartel Goddamn Time? This is how we show all the hypocrisy and the bias and the wall down and the tear down of artists come in.
You see, the thing is that we can name out for Alkaline album, Girl Good, Graduate, Bad, Keyman, No Emotions, Raise the Bar, Our World, and you have more. Vybz Kartel album, God and Time. You understand? And I think, yeah, that's the God and Time really. You see me? Nothing. You hear the beat them teacher one now and then. But I just them there. But me can't say Ray. The other rest of them, nothing they there. You understand? Yeah.
No, as great as NPT album is, the Gaza fans them will rubbish that. And even as there is no quality in God and Time, probably you can find 2 or 3 songs from God and Time will kind of make little sense. Other than that, the album is like an album where me know if Vybz Kartel just make it for him and him kids them listen at the house, or for him and see them listen, or just him little friend them around him. I don't get it. Compare the 2 albums them the real and proper way with no bias. NPT Alkaline album is a way better album than God and Time. Believe. Dancehall, truth be told, if you were to pick an album from a Vybz Kartel album or a Masicka album, let's go with 438. You tell me any one of Vybz Kartel album them we can really compete and contest 438. When you talk
Yo, you know say people, you know say most of the 438 me hear them talk about still, you know. Me I want them Masicka the Japan album when name GOK, like the man them don't even talk about it. Them don't even talk about it, people. What GOK there? A 438. I wanna say it's a classic and I don't even talk about it. All not talk about a 438. Nothing else are there. Charge your youth.
about good dancehall music, real dancehall music now. No skin out my head top, no this, no that, real dancehall music. Let me tell you something, up to today, you see 438 and Generations of King, that the album they no stop play in a car. I don't need to understand, Vybz Kartel has always been J-Progress artist from long time, even before Masicka get him break. But then me come listen Masicka, and when we talk about reality songs and good music with substance, then you talk about a Masicka. Up to now, there is not one album where Vybz Kartel do, where me can say, yo, you know it can surpass 438 in quality dancehall music and Generations of King. Think about it no man, me tell you no, me do dancehall truth. And no bias, and no tough talk, and there is no lie. Believe.
So Gaza fans, Gaza bloggers, you know, so no now work on the boss too. No now work on the boss because from what you see Vice Cartel say, he can't show it broke people. He want to reach opponent. Some go so Bama, me no see nothing go on. So me take up Gaza thing in my hands. Some go so boom, 5 minutes time, and that me come up with. So me I say yes, you get to reach opponent now. So me could see what go on. The only difference is you know I got troll them my money. I've got to take it to the studio. So me could see what go on now. To reach opponent, ready enough.
No.
So you matter about Masicka, Alkaline, chacha. Bro, Cartel is a doing thing, brother. You understand? Cartel. You see, when it comes to war and them little thing, them I don't even to meds it, my G. When a man say him done the gun song, brother, and make him do him thing, bro. You understand? If you just slow that. Him just not in that little thing there. You might just go and show him shades because him just want in the conversation. So when him show him shades, but don't even meds it, cause show me say, my G, you just not really make no sense in the space right now. You understand? You say you done the gun song. Go and do your thing, you put in the work. But I just say you just want in a heavy little thing, so you go there and show your little shades and say some little thing. Yeah, just to stay in the conversation. You see me? But we don't see you as no threat or nothing right now. Yeah man, Vice Cartel are more like a little, more like an internet character thing. I don't really know what to do with dancehall music, you see me? Yeah man.
No. Dancehall, don't disappoint me. You don't really go for pretty Dan? Oh, that. As some know say, the Gaza girl, you know. Pretty Dan. Oh, that everybody will could go for. You don't go for pretty Dan? Ah, boy. Pretty Dan? No, man, I can't the Gaza, this I know.
Well, I share allow this thing on her head chip, you know, so you know that go. You understand? But let me tell you, like, not even myself would have back and forth with Pretty Dan. Brother, Pretty Dan come like one, what I call it now? Pretty Dan come like one of them dog there where you pass every evening and every evening you pass your dog back. And you just not really meds it because you have so much thing for do. You just walk past and not pay your dog no man. I just see that. It even make no sense. Imagine you get up every day and I walk past the gate and every morning that you see him dog a back off of you. You just go boy, it even make no sense. I just Pretty than that. You see me? Yeah, so back and forth with she and all them little thing there. A waste of time that. Cause she do just very. It's like she built for this, so it don't even make no sense.
So, it's one thing for me to see some kind of thing I want. And no, Pretty Dan is representing the Gaza. Me don't think Madsus know about this. Shanstar know about this. I don't even think Cartel know about this. Say Pretty Dan is representing the Gaza. Pretty Dan? Hold on. No disrespect. But Pretty Dan is a confused female. Pretty Dan is literally a confused female who badly needs some help. Because Pretty Dan, somebody sent me a video where you go off on one like you usually do on J Progress name. Pretty Dan, you see a little cloth where you run down from J Progress, you have to pay for it. Get me details and forward your money. You have to pay for the cloth there. And the only way you can get it, Pretty Dan, you have to pay for it. Think about it. You remind me of a triple X. When you see the Gaza going at the alphabet group, go pick people to fight for them. You know it's serious. The Gaza. This Batman is a disgrace, man. Pretty Dan. From me did see triple X forward out and defend the Gaza. I say, no, this kind of look one type of way still I know the Gaza. I saw the Gaza desperate. When them want Kevin and all them other people need to make nice and them this and that. When I hear triple X, I say, no man, this you look bad for the Gaza, I know. No. Pretty Dan? I don't even think Carter himself know about this. See, a Pretty Dan out here if I try to defend the Gaza. Pretty Dan is a confused female.
Yeah man, and them type of people are kind of dangerous. You see me? See when them can't choose them beings, to them are this person. It's come like a movie called Split. You understand? Them very dangerous. You can't follow them, you're mad out. Yeah man, you have to just make them go and just talk and rant. Yeah man, and just go about your business.
That is badly in need of help. Think about it. All of the content, Pretty than also remind me of one of them content creators that we call them Negos. Them confused in a content creating. Them want to do TikTok, them want to do YouTube, them want to do MC work, them don't know them and nothing now stick for them. Think of nothing what them I do in the content creating world now work. Every content creator rich out of content creating and make money out of content creating, except for Pretty Dan. Check everybody in a Pretty Dan era of content creating. The World Dog, the Swiss Lee, the Able Boss, the whole of them. Look how still a suffer and still a...
Yeah, man, a real thing. But me nah see nobody I use her for advertise them business and nothing. Them nah use her do nothing. She not have that personality, them G. You understand? She too. I want different species. Nobody not gonna use Pretty Dan advertise no business or nothing. When me see like the other content creator them do. Yeah, man, she not ready for that the league there yet.
I try to get clothes, come out every day and cuss everybody. But I kinda understand where Pretty Dan is coming from. She's confused and she refused therapy. So there is no other medium or other ways of her expressing herself. But Pretty Dan, if you need that clout you have for J Progress, you have to go pay for it. Believe. Gaza fans, we need some answers. Who the brother ya? This is a man for me, you know. Who the brother ya? Vice Cartel like justify and clarify everything. Vice Cartel, you need to bring the dancer ya in front of we. Come make we see who it is, if it's actually a man or a woman. Jesus Christ, man. Me tell you from what you don't know what going on with Gaza, you know. What really happened with the Gaza from what you hear? Me see Triple X come out and defend the Gaza. Big Gaza supporter. Man we bore him nose and I walk up and down with handbag and a real girl clothes every day. Publicly. Then, the desperation call for them go for Pretty Dan. Pretty Dan, you know. Jesus Christ. Pretty Dan. So me understand that they went kind of going to the alphabetical order kind of thing. One type of way. And a pull. Because from me see Triple X, me say yes. Then draft your G. And then me see Pretty Dan, me say Jesus Christ, what is? But this? No, sir. So you have to tell me, say, the Gaza, you know, me say, boy, the Gaza.
People, you know, say me see it and, yo, God go with them, you know. You understand? I think me see the video, I may say, yo, what is? Is it me? Bag a girl in a red and I say, yo, them are doing, yo, people, to be honest, they do what they want to do, you know. Yeah, man, do what they want to do, man. Is it? Feed them dig, you see me?
Ship really sinking, you know? It don't sink already. Because if the Gaza go for transmission, if he come wind up in a music video with Vice Cartel and the Mickle, and this don't look good for the Gaza, man. I don't think there's no way of coming back from this one. Vice Cartel justify everything. See for I tell him to take off in glass, then take it off. I'll go in here, they look like one of the alien, them flying a ET and one of them place there. He'll take off the glass, see him here. Then, me call him out and see them. Him post 100 million video about see them. You know, see him post no more now. Because he have deal with foot type. I say to him. Because he have to prove everything in the media, you know. Because him buy him for the media. Him post 100 million see them. Video call with see them. Picture with see them. All kind of something coming from see them when me call him out. No, Vice Cartel. You have a transmission in your video. You have to prove that one, yeah? Jesus Christ. You guys are gone, you know? I never know that we live to see this, yeah.
Well, J Progress, you know, see nothing yet, you know. Oh boy. There's more to forward. You understand? Things will get more crazy than this. Just watch. Look out.
What a disgrace from the Gaza. But me know it went bad. Because if them send for Triple X from the alphabetical order group, then Pretty Dan. There is no wonder a transmission in a music video wind up round Vice Cartel all can I say it not look good, cheap. Boy.
Well, one of them things there, you know, my fam. Yeah, man, people. Big up on yourself, you know.
This a dancehall big stone me go
You see
fling.
me? You don't know one media facts pan up, you know. Yeah, man, cause why people them just stay safe out there? You see me? Yeah, man. No who now go around, know the energy and certain little things, cause the world is crazy out there, people. The world is very crazy out there. You see me? Yeah, man. So, people, you don't know, you know. Big up on yourself, and I don't know one media fox on your pay, man. A mad thing, man. That is it.